Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. Yeah, for that you will have a separate button for this one here. If you just press it for short, you on the flashlight, and if you press it again, you off the flashlight, but just for short. If you long press this button, you enable the camera with, so just press it for short to on it and again for short to off it. There's a second way to on and off the flashlight. For that, just scroll down here, tap then here on the symbol for the flash or the torch for the flashlight, and it's on and off. And there's a nice trick to increase the brightness of the flashlight. For that, just long press here the icon for the flashlight or the torch, and then if you on it, you can increase the brightness to a maximum, and if you tap on done, it is saved for the future as well. So pretty nice to have a bright flashlight. It's always good. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.